from TridentZ without any additional cost. Huge discount. In 10 days shipment. Okay, it is a holiday season, so it's a bit longer than usual. Let's unbox it. I must say, great packaging. What is this? A pen? TridentZ. Very nice. $5 discount for you. Be quick, because everyone is watching and they can use that voucher very quickly. Travel adapter. If you live in a different country, you'll have an additional, different travel adapter. TridentZ. This device is pre-checked by our service. So they checked everything. Camera and everything. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. Whoa. Yes! There is a case included. We do have a case. Manual. We do have a fantastic case. Why it's fantastic? Because it's free and I don't have to worry about the case. Wow, it feels very nice in the hand. It's a premium case. Original case. Lift it. In black. Wow. Feels very nice in the hand. Okay, let me put it aside. I'm so excited. 90-watt charger. Original charger, of course. 90 watt. There you go. And USB type A to C cable. Nice. Satisfaction. Double satisfaction. Looks incredible. Black sides. It's all black. There's no silver ending. Wow. It looks like that black carbon fiber Aventador. Awesome. Stealth lock. Winning! Okay, so what do we have? And we do have SIM card tray, microphone, antennas, 2 of them, USB Type-C, huge hole for the speakers, antenna, power button, volume buttons, another antenna, another one. Oh, so many antennas. And another one on this side. All right. Huge cameras, 3 cameras and a flash, and a front-facing camera and front-facing speaker. It is a bit heavy. Did you see how fast that was? Instant. Play Store is already available, so you have all kinds of stuff. Of course, this is a Chinese version, but everything is available. Wow, it's so quick. That's Snapdragon 3. Damn. Case. Nice. Really nice. It feels very nice in the hand. Is it going to protect your camera? Yes, it will. It is a little bit above the camera, just a tiny bit, like 2 millimeters. And the screen? Oh yes, all around. Fingerprint sensor. Quick. Face recognition. Bam. Look at it. Look at it in here. Face recognition. Extremely quick. Bam. First of all, let me change the wallpaper. It is cool, but we need to change it. Let's see how quickly this will be. Bam. That's it? Really? Wow. Instant. Really incredible. Okay. Look how smooth everything works. It's a smooth experience. Now, if we hit settings, more device, HyperOS, latest and greatest, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 500GB version to 16GB of RAM, battery 4610, screen resolution, camera 50-50-50 in front 32. Let's go back and let's see display brightness. Whoa, that is bright. Very bright. There's also a dark mode if you want to do. Let's turn it down a little bit. Advanced texture, color scheme, vivid, saturation, advanced, and even more settings. Damn. Do you really need so much settings? Maybe you do. Anti-flicker mode, if you wanted to. Let's leave it on, because why not? Refresh rate. You can go default, adjust the refresh rate dynamically based on the scenario balance performance with the power consumption, or you can go fixed. 60 or 120. Let's stick with 120, of course. AI image engine that will upscale your footage. Benchmark results. Incredible. The difference between the previous version, for example, Galaxy S23 Ultra 1877, and we have 2139. In the multi-score, wow, intense. 5000 in the previous generation, 6066. Exactly. What about a different benchmark, like a Tutu benchmark? 2,132,000 score, which is really incredible. Internal storage. Sequential read 4000, sequential write 3380, random access 1800 for the read and 1200 for the write. But that sort of power doesn't mean anything if you cannot use it, so gaming. Genshin Impact 100 frames per second. That is astonishing. It's okay. We're winning all the time. Quick and smooth winning. Ha! Getting all kinds of points. All kinds. Camera. In the camera department, we do have Pro. You can see Pro. Okay, maybe if I just not lift it. Movie, which will be wide angle. Video, and in the video you can go all the way to 15x. But in the 4K 60, you cannot switch lenses during the recording. I'm talking about wide angle. Another way around. From the different lens to wide angle. Between 1x and telephoto, it is possible. Like you can see, you can go all the way to 6x. So it is possible. In the photo department, the zoom is always 60, which is cool. 50 megapixels. You can shoot in wide angle, 1x, and telephoto. Portrait mode. There you go. Portrait mode, very nice. Documents and more. We have time lapse, smooth moon, director mode. You can play around with a microphone. AI microphones can give you all kinds of cool audio. You can connect more than one smartphone, a couple of them, like 4, I think. Okay, and monitor if you wanted to control it in your monitor, but I don't have a device like that at the moment to connect to it. Also, front-facing camera in video department in 4K 60 frames per second without autofocus. There is no autofocus. And the main lens can go all the way to 8K 24 frames per second. Super macro, teleprompter, AI subtitles. This is really cool. Look, it should do that. Subtitles, there you go. It should do it on the fly. See? It is doing it on the fly. Translating my voice on the fly to the subtitles. Wow. Amazing feature. I love it. It's amazing. Photos. Samples in the description without any compression. You can download them and yeah. Selfies. Even when I turn off the beauty mode, I still think my skin is not that smooth. Maybe. No, I don't think so. I'm too old. 50 megapixels. Okay, I guess. Did you notice something in those photos? They all very accurate in the colors, and they all not over sharpen. They very natural. Because usually smartphones over sharpening the image and it looks artificial. It looks like from the smartphone. This isn't. This is a different story. Leica must be doing all kinds of action in the software department because it is looking nice, like from the compact camera. And I like it. Weather is very gloomy, so there's not too much light, but that's cool. That's cool. Let's see a video.
The world is cold. We stand surrounded. We are not alone. Within my reverie, there's only light. Without a number, we stand and fight. And love ignite. The world is cold. We stand surrounded. We are not alone. Within my reverie, there's only light. Without a number, we stand and fight. And love ignite. The world is cold. We stand surrounded. We are not alone. Within my reverie, there's only light. Without a number, we stand and fight.
This is the best sounding, most powerful Android smartphone in the world. The difference between Android and iPhone is no more. The future is now. Link in the description.